Hello. We are getting ready to do some nails today. So this is part 1 to this series where I'm going to show you some of our different dip powders. Each finger is going to be a separate video. So this is going to be really fun and exciting. We're going to do a full cover nail, a ombre, a marble, a French. We're doing all of that. So if you are excited and ready to get started, then let's jump in.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. So to start, I am going to apply my ASP Prep and Clean to dehydrate my nails. Then I'm going to go in with my Bond Aid. So just a little bit about dipping systems. Typically they come with 3 steps, and I'm going to show you the 3 steps to our system. So we have the base coat, the activator, and the top coat. So the way this works, you apply the base coat like nail polish, and you dip your finger into the dip powder of your choice. Then after that powder has set into the base, you wipe off any excess. Then you go back in with the base coat and then dip, and then you repeat that process. When you are done, you apply the activator. Then after you apply the activator is going to make everything harden so that you will be able to file and buff the nails. After you file and buff the nails, then you will add the activator again. Then you want to make sure that after the activator has dried, that you remove any excess activator so you can go in with your top coat. All right. So now that if you didn't know how the dip system works, so now that we kind of got that out of the way, we can get started with the nails. So the tips that I have on came from the Dollar Tree. You get 80 tips for only $1, which is not bad. So if you swing by your local Dollar Tree, you can find a lot of goodies in the nail department. These trays came from the BellaHoot website, so you can check those out at the link in the description. These came from the BellaHoot website as well. So let's get started. So since this is the first video of many for the dip series, first we're going to start with this one. This is one of our exclusive dips. It is called Bella, and it is glitter. So this is going to be one that we're going to start with. In each video, I'm going to do like a different design, probably like a different method or so. So make sure that you keep up with the series so that you can see all of the different kind of designs that you can do with our dip powders. So first, in all of the videos, I'm going to start with 2 coats of clear on my nails. So I'm going to show you guys that in this video, and I will probably not show that in all of the other videos in the series. So this is how I apply the clear. So first I'm going to go in with my base coat. Then I'm going to dip into my clear. All right. Then I'm going to go back into the base coat, dip into the clear, and then I will be ready for my design. Okay, so I went in with my Prep and Clean, And I went in with my pH balancing agent, my Band-Aid, and I have my clear here. So I'm going to start by dipping all of my nails. Okay, so I'm going to apply the base coat. And I'm first going to apply it kind of in the middle of the nail and on the tip. And I'm just going to dip my finger in the clear. And you want to make sure that you're being careful with your base coat so that you don't mess your brush up. So I have that on there. I'm just going to brush the excess off. And this time I'm going to make sure I do the whole nail. I'm going to let that sit for a bit. And then I'm just going to brush the excess off. So I do this on all of the nails before I add any of the colors. So I'm just going to apply the base. And my camera was trying to focus on the glitter, so please excuse that. But I'm applying the base all over my nail. Then I'm going to dip it in some of that Bella powder that I put inside of this little cupcake liner. And this just helps because I can't actually dip my finger in the container because of how long my nails are. If your nails are shorter, you might be able to dip into the container. Now, because I'm the only one who is going to be using this, I just poured it back in. But if you are sharing this with someone, you know, each person should have their own container. So I'm using my finger to make sure that I press that glitter in, because you want your glitter to be flat. That's another good reason why you should lay your finger in the glitter. So now I'm going on top of that with another layer of base. And I'm going to dip into the clear. So during this whole process, I like to keep some clear handy because I will always do 2 layers of clear first, then do my color or my design, and then I will always cap and clear. So you want to cap and clear so that when you start filing and buffing your nail, you are not taking your design off. So after this first layer of clear, I'm just going to go in with base and clear one more time. And this is really going to make sure that that glitter is nice and capped. Also, being that my nails are a little bit longer, it's okay to do a dip or 2 more. The longer your nails are, the thicker they need to be for strength. So doing this many dips is okay. After each dip, you want to make sure that you let it sit for a second and then brush away the excess before you go on to the next step. So this is what it looks like. Again, extremely beautiful. It is glitter and powder in here. It's not all glitter. I just want to clear that up. So now I'm going with the activator, and this I'm just going to kind of slather all over the nail You want to make sure that you have enough so that it can penetrate through the layers. I like to do at least 2 coats of this just to make sure that it's enough so that it can seep through all of the layers of dip so that the nail can fully cure or harden. So after I have filed, shaped, buff, applied a top coat, this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. Don't forget to check out the cuticle oil that we have on our website. My website link is in the description bar. I love this. This is in apple scent. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the other videos in the series if you want to see how I did all the looks on my fingers in this clip. Make sure that you guys subscribe. Make sure that you guys like. I have all of these coming soon, so I am super excited about it. Make sure you guys leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Hey, it's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.